Hey friends, this is Lindsay for So Fontsy. We're out in the garage today at the heat press because we're going to be showing you how to adjust the pressure on your heat press when your heat press has one of these pressure adjustment knobs. So you can get either light, medium, or high pressure, because when the pressure is set correctly for the project that you're working on, you're definitely going to get better results. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so the first thing that you're going to do is with the heat press turned off, you're just going to close your press. And if you found that you needed to use two hands in order to close it, then that is considered heavy pressure. So go ahead and reopen the press and use the knob in the back to lighten the pressure. Then go ahead and close the press. And if you can just use one hand to close it, then you are at somewhere between light to medium pressure. So to narrow that down even further to know if you're at light or medium pressure, then this is what you want to do.
Grab 2 to 3 sheets of copy paper and place them on the bottom platen, half sticking out of the press. Close the press and then pull on the sheets of paper with one hand. If the paper doesn't move, then that is considered medium pressure. If you are able to pull the copy paper out with light resistance, then this is considered light pressure. If you plan on using a pressing pillow with your project, then you'll want to perform these tests with the pressing pillow in the heat press, which is what we did to set the press to medium pressure to press a couple colors of Caesar Easyweed HTV onto this baseball shirt. So be sure to perform these pressure tests for your next projects on the heat press, because with the correct pressure, you are definitely going to get the best results. And to grab the baseball design that we use for this shirt, then you'll find the link to the March 2022 SVG and font bundle at So Fontsy in the video description. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and we'll see you next time. Bye!